use sudo app update. Okay, install default. This one open JDK 21. Hello, install and configure Java on Mac or Ubuntu. This video show a guide by ChatGPT and Cloud to solve for you, or you can use this proof to install on your Mac or Ubuntu. Okay, I pass the proof. This is check the version on terminal. Okay. For the Mac install, okay, you can for the Mac use the homebrew. Okay, this one. Okay, install JDK. This install Java version 21, or you can select on the Oracle this link. This one HO. Okay, blah blah blah. For the Ubuntu, we use sudo app update. Okay, install default. This one open JDK 21. Okay. I ask one more to the cloud about the install and configure Java on Mac or Ubuntu. Okay, at the moment I detail about the homebrews. Now I will focus on the Ubuntu. This one we install by app ATP. Okay, we can use a multiple version with update alternative. Okay, this one we use Java 17 or 21 on the Ubuntu. It means that we use multiple version. Option 3 we use hkimahb is manage JDK on both Mac and Ubuntu. If you want my history at the moment by ChatGPT or Ubuntu, you can copy at this link, or you can check on my results on below of the video. Thank you.